In just a moment, I'm going to reveal a YouTube channel that's growing from 0 subscribers to 113,000 subscribers within 4 months and making thousands of dollars per month. And I'm going to show you the exact strategies that you can implement to start earning ad revenue from YouTube just like them, without filming or editing videos, or even showing your face, all while enjoying that passive income from the comfort of your home. And if you don't believe me, you can see the result of one of my niche channels. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the exact strategy, but before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing for getting new online money-making ideas daily. Take a look over here at this channel called Quotation and Motivation. It already has 113,000 subscribers and has only published 6 videos to its channel. The reason for their rapid growth is that their first video, which was released 3 months ago, received 552,000 views, allowing them to achieve 100,000 subscribers in 3 months. And each of their videos had a significant number of views. If I click on the About section, I can see that this channel was created on April 26, 2022, and has had over 600,000 views. And they make videos on great people's quotes. You may find the author's name here. Since this channel is new and rapidly growing, you can expect that this approach to making money on YouTube is still relevant for the time being. Now you can say that the first video of this channel went viral, and that's why this YouTube channel grows insanely. But in everyone's case, the first video does not go viral. Yeah, it's true and I agree, but I will explain why their video goes viral within a short time. Basically, these types of videos don't receive as many views from YouTube searches. The browse feature and suggested views are the primary view sources for these types of channels, and thumbnails are quite important for gaining views through browsing features and suggested views. Simply pay attention to their video thumbnail. The thumbnail of that viral video generates curiosity. Never trust a silent friend because ... Imagine this, people who see the video thumbnail think that you should never trust a silent friend. But why is that? And the title of that video is Never Trust a Silent Friend, Pythagoras Quotes. So, from the title and thumbnail, anyone can easily understand. It's a famous person's quote, never trust a silent friend. But why? And for finding the reason, they click on that video and watch the full video. And this is how this video went viral. But you can see that their second video doesn't get so many views compared to this, just because the video's title and thumbnail don't create curiosity like the viral video. But from the third video, they use the same strategy. They write half of any quote and then write ... so that it can generate curiosity in people to learn the whole quote. So, this is the main strategy to make their videos viral and make money from YouTube. If you follow the same exact strategy and make this kind of video, chances are your video's also going to be viral. But I also share with you another important strategy for getting viral later in the video. So, stick to the end. Let's take a look at how they created this viral video. As you can see, this is a really simple video. All of the quotations appear one by one with a voiceover and a simple background change. There is no fancy editing in this video, and I'm basically teaching you how to make the same video in 1 hour. As you can see, there are a large number of people commenting on this type of quotation video. From there, you may assume that the YouTube audience is interested in this type of video. So, our first step is finding quotes for our video. For finding any quotes, you may search on Google for something like Elon Musk's best quotes for success, and you will find a lot of blog articles. For example, 50 innovation and success quotes from SpaceX founder. These 11 Elon Musk quotes will inspire your success, and similar types of blog articles from which you can open any of them. Here, I am opening 101 Elon Musk quotes that will inspire your success. Let's see what is in this blog article. See, Elon Musk's quote on success. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Another quote is, persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. And the most interesting thing is, they also explain the meaning of quotes in detail here. It is also good. Instead of just reading quotes, if you can explain the meaning of that quote, your audience start engaging more with your content. So, from these quotes, you can find a lot of quotes and explanations of these quotes to make videos on. In the same way, you can search for Jeff Bezos' success quotes. See, for example, your margin is my opportunity. Life is too short to hang out with people who are not resourceful, and so on. What you need to do is, you need to read these quotes professionally using a microphone as they are doing. In the second step, we must learn how to create such videos. These are basically slideshow videos with a voiceover in the background. You can use PowerPoint to create this. You can choose a background design from the Design tab. Then just like them, add a quotation icon and quote. You may do this by clicking on Inserting and then Icon. And if you search for a quotation, you'll see the quotations icon. Simply select and insert them. Then you can add a text here. However, if you are not a professional PowerPoint slide designer, I recommend going to Fiverr.com and searching for PowerPoint presentations, and you will land on this page. These presentation designs are quite professional. Then, set a budget of no more than $5 and Fiverr will show you all presentation design services that fall within that price range. You may select any of them who seems professional to you. Simply open the gig, and you will notice that he provides you with 10 completely editable PowerPoint presentations with high-end designs for $5. That is enough for us, as we require a PowerPoint template design that we can customize based on our videos. You may also explore some sample presentation designs on this page. These designs appear to be quite professional. You can see that the freelancer is now online, so you may chat with him. Simply stated, I want a PowerPoint template design that looks like this. You may use this YouTube video link as an example. Furthermore, the design must be editable in the future. Simply hire him if he promises he can offer you an editable professional PowerPoint template. And just for $5 you will get a professional PowerPoint template. If you want additional slides, just duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. You can also easily change the transition and quotations in each video's slides, which takes not more than 1 hour. After all the customization, click on the file, then save it as this PC. Then here the format is PowerPoint presentation format, but we need to change this MPEG-4 video format and save the file as video. When we have a video, we must add our recorded voiceover here. Open Shot Video Editor, which is free video editing software, was used for this. Drag your video and audio onto the timeline in this manner, then adjust them. This is available for download here and is compatible with all operating systems. The final step is to figure out how to monetize our videos. But before that, if you feel you have gotten value so far, consider subscribing for watching more in the future. So, one option is YouTube monetization, but this requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which may take some time. However, if you want to make money quickly, you can promote ClickBank affiliate products. Personally, I appreciate their affiliate commission, which is why I suggested ClickBank. If you already have an account, simply log in, and if you don't, follow the link below to create one. This type of interface will appear when you log in. From there you need to click on Affiliate Marketplace, and you will come over to this page. Since our niche is motivation, we must promote products in the self-help category. As you can see, all of the products have quite high affiliate commissions. I suggest you sort the result by gravity, which shows how many people earn money from the affiliate product and how it is good to earn money. You can also promote spiritual products. This product wealth manifestation offer appears to be ideal for the content with a high gravity score and an affiliate commission. Simply click on Promote, provide your nickname, and optional tracking ID, and then create a hop link. Now, you can copy your product promotional link from here. Now, open your uploaded video and promote this offer in the video description, as well as the pinned comment box, so that your audience may notice the product and purchase it, and you will earn an affiliate commission. I'll walk you through everything step by step. You must now put this into action, because you cannot earn money from YouTube without execution. I genuinely want you may make money online. And if you are not subscribed to this, subscribe to this channel to get new make money online videos daily. See you in the next video.